As a designer, choosing the right fabric is very important in sewing. The wrong fabric can spoil a good design, while the right fabric can make a simple outfit look expensive. Today, we're going to talk about different kinds of fabric and Ankara, we have plain cotton, and we have Adire. They are easy to sew, they are breathable, they don't stretch. Cotton is perfect for beginners and great for casual outfits and children's wear. You can get this fabric dimension in any Nigerian markets near you. Number two, we have silk fabrics. Silk fabrics are soft silk. We have Duchess and we have Mikado. Mikado have smooth Mikado and shiny Mikado. They are best for party gowns and bridesmaid dresses. Beginners should start with a thick silk just like Duchess. Number three, we have crepe fabric. You can get crepe fabric anywhere around you. Crepe fabric flows nicely. It is not slippery, it is beginner friendly, and it is perfect for office wear and simple casual gowns. And number four, number five, I guess, we have lace fabrics. We all know lace fabrics. Lace fabrics include like cord lace, French lace, and net lace. They are very decorative and usually needs lining. Lace is best for weddings, for ashwebi, and for special occasions. You can get lace fabric, I guess, anywhere around the Nigerian market. We have stretchy fabric. Now, stretchy fabric are like lycra and jersey. They are stretchy, they are comfortable, they are great for body fitted dresses. Don't pull the fabric while sewing. Let the machine do the work, because when you start pulling out a stretchy fabric, your measurements can go all wrong from experience. Now we'll talk about traditional fabric. So traditional Nigerian fabric includes ashoke, we have damask, we have brocade, we have george. They are heavy and they give a rich look, perfect for traditional outfits and wedding. So how to choose your fabric? Before buying a fabric, always ask, what style am I sewing? Does it need lining? Does it not need lining? So there are some fabrics that are like scrap fabric, they are silk. Most of those fabric they don't need lining, but Ankara and other fabric need lining. So today I'm going to end it today. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like and you subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.